it going, Octo? Give me 1 second. Gonna finish watching a dude stream. Sounds good. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, we were working on that crappy mechanic. Hopefully, now that we have a fresh brain, tired brain, maybe I can figure out what's going on with this tile map. Let's see. I feel like maybe I should probably just rewrite it, like rewrite everything, or not everything, but like, let's see what's going on. Wait for that caffeine to kick in. Let's see. Main scene. Yeah, I'll play it here. See what happens. I completely forgot. Dude, it's like so close. You know, another thing I could do is just keep it on the player's physical, on their global position, and then we could just make a what am I trying to say? I could make it just a particle that comes out, but I don't know, I really wanted to make a sprite. Like, this looks kind of neat, but it would be repetitive. We're gonna try it. We're you know, we've gone this far, so we might as well give it a shot. How's it going? Desired state. No, I kind of liked Des 1 red state. Yo, how's it going, Mr. Glick? Alright, let's try to figure out what was going on with our tile map. What did I call it? Twilight tile map? Or wait, no, just Twilight. Octo Tits, Des 1, Mr. Glick, Practical. The whole gang is here. Alright, let's see. Alright. God damn it. I'm so annoyed. I gotta put my thinking cap on. Like, the second we get on stream, I have to start thinking. Alright, let's see. Okay. If you cells dot has world to map position entrance. Okay. Entrance to map position. I'm gonna print. Let's take this one step at a time. I honestly, I should delete all this so that I don't like use this. Here, I'm just gonna comment it out. I know we have to use this world to map position, that's for sure. So we're gonna say entrance map position is equal to world map position. Here, and actually, let's paint this out so like maybe I can. I've been doing this a lot lately, like where I make something on paint, but yeah, it's been. I would say it's kind of beneficial, right? Oh, it'd be nice. We had a grid. Yo, how's it going, Half Moon? Oh, and Jason Iffy. How's it going, man? Alright, let's use all my 2 brain cells to try to figure out how we're gonna make this work. Oh wait, this is a terrible grid. Let's see, does this one look good? Why do they not put the lines on the ends? There we go. Oh my god. Let's try this one. Come on. There we go. My name's Jason. Alright. Simple enough. It's a clever name, like Jason, but Jason. Do the scribble, the mad scribble. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna do some mad scribbling right now. All right. So, what happens? Our player collides. Going really good. Working on the final. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Congrats. And we're still on our twilight mechanic. It's been. I feel like it's been like a week and a half, and we're still not done with it. But it's okay. It's okay. All right. So we collide with like, let's say. We're like, I don't know, right here. And world to map either gives us this. It'll probably it gives us one of the, like, let's say the player collides right, or like, yeah, they enter the area 2D right here. The tile map is either going to be this one, it's going to be this one, or this one. And we don't like, well, the one thing that we can do is check like what our adjacent tiles are. So like, let's say it's this one, we can check if it's the left one or if it's, okay, wait, if it doesn't exist, like let's say we're right here, we want to check what direction the player came from. So like basically what their dash direction was or their motion was. The only thing is their motion could be, let's say we're going from, you know, let's say we're falling down this way or maybe this way. This is -1, oh, -1, yeah, -1, 0, -1, 1, or -1, -1. You know, drawing this honestly confuses me more. I'd rather just code it. We'll see, we'll see. God damn it. Got the most trashy dash mechanic. Does it look like mine? Alright. Oh, dude, I was supposed to do the, no, yours is good. I was supposed to do the, I wanted to show you guys my input, like, while I was playing the game, but, I don't know, I didn't feel like getting distracted. I'll try to do it after today's stream. Usually, like, after stream, I'm kind of lazy. But I think the best time to do it is right after the stream. I can't do it when I wake up because, like, I don't know, I like to get straight into the game dev when I wake up. Alright, let's figure this out. Entrance to map position. So it's gonna be, okay, we'll try to figure this out. If we spend like an hour, okay, I'm gonna spend at most an hour at this. Aren't you always lazy? Yeah, I am. Me? Wish it was still Easter break. Yeah, I will say it was very hard for me to do game dev while in school or while working. Like it's hard to do both. Damn, you just froze. You became an NPC. Yeah, I'm still waking up. Like my caffeine still hasn't kicked in. We're still only using 1 of 2 brain cells. He is an NPC. It's true. I am an NPC. Okay, entrance to map position.
Don't worry, buddy. You're doing fine. You're doing fine, buddy. You're doing fine. You're doing fine. Don't worry, buddy. You're doing fine.
Thank you. You know, I was watching another stream. Rage Against the Machine. I'd say he is practical an NPC. I am an NPC. Alright. Let me get this. Okay, entrance to map position. Let's get one print statement going. Entrance map position is equal to world to map. What the hell? This doesn't even work. Who wrote this? Oh, we wrote it over here. Okay. All right. I'm just going to print world to map position. Print. Here, let's get rid of everything here. World to map position. And if I remember correctly, I wonder, do we have to convert this to a local position? Player global position. We'll see. Run it again. Oops, wrong scene. For the machine. Okay. What is this? Do we see? Okay. World to map position is 8, -9. Alright. That doesn't really tell us much. I mean, we could look at our... what room is that? Let's see. Also, welcome, Sentient G-Slave. How's it going? Yeah, it doesn't really matter where it is right now. What we want to do... We'll put that icon there just to show where it is at the moment. Where's that? Right here. Oh, sorry, I really want to add some functionality to my stream. Now that we have that bot, I'd like to do some more stuff. I saw some guy's stream where he had this like command where like he would press a button and then there was like this scene that played where like he would tell people to like follow his channel. I mean, it was like a self promo thing, but he did it in like a really clever way that you couldn't even be mad. I'd like to do that one of these days. I think after the gym is when we'll update our streams. Half Moon is listening but not talking. Sounds good. I feel like a chicken pot pie packed in a in a liver in the middle of Arkansas. I don't. Is that a good feeling? Okay. Map to world position. Okay, let's do. We have a sprite here, so we'll say sprite dot global. I wonder, do we have to do global position or do we have to do? I think we have to do position. Sprite dot position is equal to our twilight tile map dot map to world of our world to map position. A lot of back and forth here, but unfortunately I think it's necessary. Alright, so as you can see, our blue thing is spawning. Sometimes it's spawning on like the tile, so this right here is a tile map, and then yeah, all of these are tile maps. And another thing to notice is that they're spawning like, well, they're spawning on the origin, so the origin is like here. I wonder if it would have been better to like replace this tile map with like a grid so that we could actually see it. I mean, I guess we could do visible collision shapes, but it's gonna look so weird. I mean, it's gonna be super laggy. I don't know either, but it's also a cold winter night in Arkansas, next to a body, snow everywhere. It's 20 degrees Celsius in the UK. All right, so yeah, it's spawning on the origin, which is correct for now. All right, so the next thing we want to do is push it down to the closest tile. Dude, this looks like it's more than one tile away, though. Let me see. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just tripping. Is the screen flickering for anyone else? Flickering. Yeah, is the screen flickering for anyone else? Okay. Twilight, map to world. Alright, so what we want to do now is we want to check if we have any used cells, which is this if statement right here. I'm just going to rewrite it. If used cells dot has world to map position. We don't do anything. I'll just pass for now. Else, actually, we could say entrance. Like this could be the raw value, and then this will be our actual value. So we'll say we'll say if it has it, we'll say entrance map position is equal to world to map position. Otherwise, we want to grab the player's input direction. So we'll say, okay, this is the part that I need to figure out. Do we want to? I think what's been messing with us for the last, last few hours during the last stream, was that input direction is not just 4 directions; it's 8 directions, and I don't know. I guess that's just been messing with us. It doesn't look as clean. So I'm gonna try just prioritizing, up, down, left, right, and I think we'll prioritize the vertical axis first. And we'll see how that looks. Or maybe we should just do the y-axis first. See how that looks. Okay, so we'll say if input direction dot y does not equal to 0, we'll say entrance map position is equal to our world to map position plus our input direction. And wait. We don't want to just add our input direction. I think we want to keep, for now, we want to keep the player's Y position. So here, I guess, do I need to duplicate this line here? I'll say entrance map position dot x is equal to world map position dot x. For now, let's just do it this way. And then, oh, still playing this in the background. Dot y is equal to world map position dot y plus input direction. Okay. And let me just print this to make sure. Input direction is not 0. Refresh, no flicker. You know, I do have this new thing. Maybe this is messing with my stream. You see, and this thing is flickering. Oh well. Oh, refresh, no oh, never mind. We're all good here. Okay. Super laggy. Okay. Oh, wait, we never updated the position here, so now we're going to say sprite.position is equal to our entrance. World to map, entrance map position. Run it again. Stuck between 2 frames and not continue. I see. Okay. Dude, wait, what the hell? You see this? We're like, now it's going even higher. Maybe, am I supposed to... Oh, right. Okay, it depends on what our entrance position is, because, like, if we're coming... Wait, let me see. This is the part that, like, is I guess, confusing, is that there's so many... There are a few edge cases. Right. Okay, so... It's very framey. Here, I'll get rid of it for now. Yeah, coming out from it, we're adding the input direction because we're going upwards, and so it's like putting the tile way up there. So what we want to do is just match what the previous state of the player was. If they're in the twilight state, we want to subtract this input direction. We could just put it here. Yeah, we're gonna have like some wacky function here. All right, let's do if level manager dot player node dot state is equal to level manager player node dot states dot twilight. Okay. We'll say this, but negative. They're actually, yeah, whatever. Minus input else. All right, that should fix that, and I think it looks good. Hopefully. Wait, what the hell? Now this one, now going downwards. Wait, oh, maybe we accidentally just, yeah, we did. Supposed to be plus. There we go. All right. Okay. Now, what we're gonna want to do? Oh, we gotta fix this. Okay. So the y-axis is looking good. The y-axis going downwards. Let me see. That's this tile right. I think technically it's correct. But when we place our sprite, we have to do something extra, depending on which direction we're coming from. I'm not gonna worry about that just yet. I wanna handle the top one first. Okay. Sprite dot position is equal to the entrance map position. What we're gonna do here is also check what the input direction is. You know, if it was vector 2 dot down, you know, up, down, left, or right. And depending on that value, we want to make sure that it's consistent with the player's global position instead of the map to world position. So what we'll say here now, we'll say if, let's say, I'm trying to think. Yeah, we could just say if input direction dot y, or sorry. We could technically put it in here, but I'm just gonna separate the two, just in case it's buggy. Input direction dot y does not equal 0. Sprite dot global position dot x is equal to our player. Or sorry, our level manager dot player node dot global position dot x. Okay. And then we'll set this to our y, I guess, for now. But we want to do this. I'm just gonna do the it's always going to be something, right? It's always either going to be the y-axis or x-axis. So I think what we can do here is just say dot y dot x. Oh, wait, this is supposed to be dot y dot x. I think we got it. I'm trying to see. It looks good. Let me see the. Okay. I think the main issue now. Yeah, the x-axis is still a little weird. If we were to like dash into it, I think it looks good. But But if we do a diagonal downwards, like this, whoop. If we do that, then it looks weird. Like this is way too up high. So let me see. Alright, so the issue with this is differentiating, like, I guess maybe it doesn't make a difference. Going diagonally. Alright, you know what? Actually, before I finish all of this, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try adding the animation, because I still don't know if this is going to look good. So I'd rather just see if it looks good with like, because I think we got the y-axis to look perfect. It's just the x-axis now. Oh, and maybe, let me see, diagonals. Diagonals maybe are a little, I think, yeah, diagonal dashes are also a little weird. But I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Let's just solve these two. So let's just do the top. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make a new, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Teleport portal. Alright, what is this animation called? This is Teleport Pond Sprite Sheet. Okay. We're gonna want to make this into its own scene. Let's call this a, we need an animated, do an animated sprite. I'll put this sprite sheet in there. Teleport pond. Where the hell is it? Oh, I'm dumb. Sprites. Spreadsheet back. Spreadsheet. I think it's this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What the hell? How many? Is this 12 maybe? Oh, 11? There we go. 11 and 3. Okay. And we shall try, guess we'll try this one first. At 11 frames. And we'll call this import. Oh, actually, we might want to, I'm trying to think, like, because I think we'll be adding the same shader to this texture, and we need to update the shader as well. So like I don't know how it's gonna look. I'm thinking it should look like here. I think we might want to update this texture. Let me see. Teleport pond sprite sheet. Teleport pond. Oh, I'm gonna duplicate this actually. just edit it here and then export it correctly. So what I'm thinking is the inside will be black, and then the outside will be white. And then yeah, the shader will be on the inside of this. So I think there is an option. Honestly, we'll probably just have to draw it. So let's just grab all of the white textures here. I'm just gonna trace it. Wonder how that'll look. Dude, I really hope this looks good. We've spent like, I think a total, by the end of this stream, we'll definitely spend like around 10 hours on this one feature. Not 10 hours, maybe like 8 hours or 7. And I hope it's worth it. We might just scrap it at the end. Yep. I'll leave there. Thank you. Joseph, why is the toilet? Dude, it feels like this has been going. Oh my god! Didn't realize this texture was so large. You know, it might. We might as well finish. There was an easier way. The only thing is that like I would have to like. I can make a border around all the textures, but then everything will look like this, and I would just have to like hand you know, like erase all of the extra textures, but whatever. We're almost done. No control 0. I don't know what that is. I can try it out, but I don't want to risk. You know, I just found out that if you press Control R on Discord, it like resets your whole thing. Give it a try. Nothing happened? Maybe you have to be in a call. Oh wow, you know, this looks cool. And I think with the shader it might even look cooler. Alright, let's export this. Bro, Discord crashed. It didn't crash, it just restarted. Teleport pond, twilight. What did I... You know, I might even... Eventually, I might even keep this for the actual pond. This, I don't know, something about this looks really cool. What did I do? I hacked your computer. Okay, I guess I'll have to delete this now. And we want this one. What was it, 11 and 3. Okay. Look at that. Honestly, it looks kind of cool. And what we'll do is we'll add the same exact shader that's on our Twilight map. Can I just save this? Save. Do we have a shaders folder? We do. We'll call this Twilight. The Twilight World twilight shader.
Twilight. Oops. Let me rename that to. What?
Twilight material. Whoops. Rename. Twilight material underscore material. Okay. Then we'll go into here. Visibility. Oh, material. Drop this in there. You know, for some reason it doesn't look as good with the with the shader. But who knows? We'll see. Okay, let's go into scenes, new mechanic objects, twilight, and we're gonna call this the, I don't know, like collision animation. Collision animation. Call this twilight collision. Collision animation. Okay. Whew. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna set this to. Let's see, what should the frame rate be? 12. Has to be kind of quick. Why does this? It looks weird. Did it always look like this? It looks like it's only going through like... No, it is going through everything. Let's see. I guess maybe it's just the fact that it's playing over and over again looks odd to me. Okay. Let's go back into our twilight, and instead of putting the sprite here, we're going to put I guess we can preload this, so we'll say var, or I guess on ready. I'll throw it down here. Twilight, what do we call it? Twilight collision animation path is equal to preload of twilight collision animation. There we go. And then we're gonna have to manipulate the rotation as well. But for now, let's just try it out. So we'll say var temp sprite is equal to this path dot instance, and we want to make sure that we add this as a child. Temp sprite. And we want to set it to play as well. By default, we set it to. Okay, we'll say don't play just yet, and I think we can add a. Let's see. On animation finished, we can make it queue free. Oh, there's no script here. Twilight animation. Alrighty. You see what is left for us to do. Temp sprite, add child. Okay, so instead of saying sprite, we're going to say temp sprite. I'll just do this everywhere. Temp sprite dot global position. Oh, let's just grab this and put it down here. Okay. Temp sprite. There we go.
Let's see if this works.
Alrighty, so as you can see, well, it is consistent, I will say. Seems like it's always spawning right up there. Oh, and corner pieces are gonna just look terrible. I didn't even think of that. Alright. I mean, we could update this to just show this little section here, but wait, let's try to get it to work a bit. What I will do is set the global position on the y-axis to whatever this is. I'm just gonna add temp sprite global position plus or minus equals, say dot y minus equals I don't know, 8, 10. I don't know, how large is this image? We're seeing like this whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. God damn, that looks disgusting. Oh wait, but it should actually. I think we got it. We got it to work fine. Actually, I'm just realizing that we do want it a little bit above the surface. We also want to make sure that the z index is. I don't know, like just put 2. Z index is 2. And. Yeah, well, actually, why? Right here, I'm gonna say maybe just 1 pixel. And then we want it to play. It's not playing right now, so we'll say temp sprite dot play import. Okay. Moment of truth. Does this look? Oh, dude, this looks kind of good. It's kind of hard to see though. Let me try this again. Dude, I like it. It's very subtle, but like you can barely even tell, bro. But it looks good, in my opinion. It will look weird though right here. But what I'm thinking is maybe we don't. It doesn't have to be a large image. Like right now we've made it this like.
I can't even tell that it exists. Maybe I need to like exaggerate the animation, or like the we gotta reduce the particles.
Let me see. What can we do? Here, let me update this texture. What is this? What's the size of this? 286. 86 divided by 11 is 26. Figure grid, do 26. Just do 26. Okay. You show grid. What did I want to do? Yeah, we want to get rid of like I think most of this texture, like that maybe. Certain areas look. Yeah, like I don't think we need this little section right here. I think we should give it a minimum, like the maximum size should be whatever this is right here. I think it's still gonna look weird. I think. You know what? I wonder if we can make this look better with particles. Like instead of using pixel animations, we could use particles with it, like, you know. Because even though this looks decent, I don't know, man. We'll try it out. It looks, I don't know. I think I'm gonna ignore it for now. I think we're going to try particles instead. I think particles would also be easier. Easier to implement. Like, we would have to worry less about like. Sorry. What just happened? Someone did something. Okay. We'll get rid of this twilight collision animation. And let's do particles, I guess. We'll do CPU particles. Let's do this. I do need to add an animation to this as well. I don't know how we're gonna make it look. Let's see. We want it to shoot out similar to the animations currently, like similar to this animation. Here, let me close memory. All right, we'll say our direction is by default. We'll set it to -1, 0. Gravity is going to be, we could keep it like this for now. Let's say our velocity is like this. We're gonna have to mess, I'm not too good with our not too good with particles. We'll have to keep messing with it. Okay. Local chords are fine. I wonder if we want, I'm trying to think, we could make it consistent with like, because we're gonna have to rotate this sometimes for like this axis, and I wonder, do we want to make it, what the hell is going on? Why is it rotating to the upright direction? Oh, that's why. We'll have to see. Keep it like this for now. Rotation. And let's make a texture for this as well. So it's gonna be basically this, but I guess we can mess with the size, and it's going to have the same shader that our portal has. So I'll call this twilight particle.
GIMP versus A-Sprite, is GIMP better? I'd probably say if you're doing pixel art, A-Sprite is better. I'm just so used to GIMP. Like, I've used GIMP all my life. I also don't do much like art myself. I mostly like edit images and stuff. I would love to get used, like I would love to learn A-Sprite and like, you know, just get better with pixel art. It's just yeah, get the GIMP. I actually just rewatched that movie recently. What do we call it? Twilight particle. God damn, this looks crazy. I cannot think of can't not think of that movie when I see people using GIMP. Yeah, this is an interesting name that they chose to have. I guess we can try this. I think we have to increase the velocity just a bit. And maybe reduce the spread. And also maybe increase, let's try this. Make this larger. Oh no, actually. Let me see. We put 100, what does that look like? No. Okay, 15, and maybe we just need less explosiveness, or less, that's a little... Let's try that. And also let's get our twilight shader. GIMP is equal to GNU GIMP. Oh yeah, right. Totally forgot about that. Still, it is weird that it's called GIMP. Alright, so you can barely even tell that there's a shader on there. Let me see. Scale. I think we're gonna want to create like some. Oh. Randomness. Wait. Scale randomness ratio. I don't actually know how this works. Let me see. 0.5. Doesn't seem like it's actually changing. Oh, it is. It is. Okay. Honestly, this looks kind of good. And I think maybe what we would make it. We could make it shrink. Let me see. Go from there. Oh, that looks terrible. 0.5 to here. Whatever, let's just try that. Call this twilight particle. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Oh, at the end of our mission, this is gonna be a one-shot emission. So let's see. What the hell? Why does it not play? Oh, there we go. Okay. What the hell? Okay, whatever. We'll leave it as one shot, and then what we're gonna do on...
we can add a script here that just says, you know, start playing, and then we'll
Create a signal that says,
you know, on now emitting, cue free. I think
there is a signal, right? Oh, wait, what? There's no signal?
I guess we could do a physics process and just check if it's not emitting, and then cue free. We'll just test this out. Okay, and then what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna grab these twilight particles. Twilight. And in our twilight script, instead of saying this, we'll just say twilight particle dot scene.
Okay, there we go. Face the demands of life voluntarily. Respond to a challenge instead of bracing for catastrophe. JP. Is that a quote from? Is that from Pulp? Who's JP? Oh, Jordan Peterson.
Oof. Right. This doesn't work anymore.
Okay, wait. Our positioning of this thing. Oh, yeah. I think we need to.
This will be a lot easier to mess with. Let me see. Dot y minus equals 1. We want to set this to, I don't know, it seems like plus equals like 10, it seems. I don't know why. And we also want to make sure the rotation is equal to our input direction. Temp sprite dot rotation. So if it's not equal to 0, it really depends. Okay, let's try this. Rotation. We could say, wait, how do I convert a vector to an angle again? Oh, just vector to dot angle. So we'll say input direction. Well, actually, I don't want to grab diagonals right now, so let's just say, we'll say temp sprite dot rotation is equal to vector 2 dot 0 and input direction dot y dot angle. Okay, we want to do the same thing on the x-axis, but switch.
Speedrun attempt? Let's do it.
Are those particles too high? Yeah, they are too high. I think we pushed it down a bit. We'll see. I'll do the speedrun attempt after this. Input direction dot x, and we'll set this to 0. Moment of truth. Does this work?
Low-key doubt it.
I feel like we're never gonna get this to work. Oh, actually, what the hell? This one is going downwards. Okay. And it also just doesn't look like, even if it worked, I think it looks terrible. Maybe that has to do with the Z index though.
Okay, let's do the speedrun
Attempt, and then we'll figure it out.
Oh snap, didn't know what that button. No, you're good.
Let's do here. I'll speedrun attempt this new mechanic. Should we? How do I get rid of this from working? Where is it? Twilight animation. Twilight. Place animation. Yeah, just on place animation. Let's just. Oh, I think I deleted my room. We'll do a speedrun of the earlier rooms because this room is all messed up.
We'll do world demo.
So yeah, the rewards. Oh, what the hell? I do speedrun attempts of my game. I don't think, obviously, I'm never gonna beat the highest score, but we'll give it a shot.
Where's our player?
Oh, right there. Oh, I forgot. There's one bug that's gonna happen right now with the room switchers. I just need to make sure that I don't jump through any of our rooms. Oh, and I wish I plugged in my controller, but oh, what the? Oops. Let's go into our level manager, and we'll just change this to world demo. Whoops. Alright, so it's been an hour, and we still haven't figured out what we're gonna do with the Twilight, like, mechanic just yet. So, I'm trying to think, should we just go on to the next thing and save it for another day? The particles look like crap. I don't think they're gonna look good. I think what we could try to do is maybe make a shader specifically for the Twilight Zone. Oh no. And maybe, you know, maybe that'll save us.
Does it show?
Oh yeah, it does. I was gonna say, does it not show when I click? But I think it does. Oh, I forgot. We need to fix these portals. We updated them to be... Oh my god, we might die here. Oh, no, we're good. Yeah, these rooms need to be updated now that we've made our portals bigger. Honestly, I think it's a good fix. Oh god damn it. Oh, and we still need to fix our zip line. Oh, what the? Am I? Is this me? Okay. No, yeah, it was me. I'm just getting used to using the mouse and keyboard. God damn it, bro. The I need to get used to swinging my mouse around. I mean, honestly, I don't think I'm ever gonna play this game on mouse and keyboard. I think it's just more convenient, so I don't have to plug in my controller all the time. I find it so much harder. God damn. Alright, I think this is the hardest room at the moment, so hopefully we get it. Hopefully we get it on our first try. Oh my god. Okay, and I think this room definitely needs to be redesigned. I keep saying it, and I'm definitely gonna do it soon. Oh my god, that was on me. Oh. Damn it, bro. My fingers, I don't know. They just don't work. Like it. Redesign now. There won't be another day. Dude, I don't know what it might be that, like, you know, I just woke up recently, so like maybe my reflexes aren't as there, but you know what I think I might need to do? I might need to make like a custom mouse. Oh my god. Like a better cursor while you're in the game, because like sometimes maybe I just don't realize where my mouse actually is. Oh no, we screwed up. Redesign it now, don't wait another day. The thing is, there's so many things that I need to do. I feel like this is, I would say this is the least of my, oh no, I can't do the thing that Mr. Glick does. He like uses it. I did it yesterday. Oh no. I'm gonna try it one more time. Yes, there we go. Oh no, we might die. Oh, we just made. Okay, I can't. Brother, come on, come on. All right, I'm gonna. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna switch to the controller. This definitely is not a speed run. This is a sad run. We're on the controller now. Oh no. It's not looking good. Alright. This is it.
Dude, I keep... Same exact spot, too. It's like I'm trying to time it perfectly, but maybe my brain is not fast enough. I'm scared. Oh, thank God. Dude, is that a bug? I see something. I kept switching and then... No, maybe... We'll see. Oh, okay. This room needs to be redesigned. We messed with our new portals, so like now... I think it's still possible. Yeah, I'll just have to do that. Brother. Okay. Come on. There we go. Oh my God. Oh! It's gonna take us to this room, but this room is buggy. Forgot. Usually it goes to the credits from there, but yeah, because we're working on this new mechanic, it's gonna be this. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with this room. It's not going to be... Alright, we spent 2 hours, we spent an hour today, and then we spent like 3 hours yesterday trying to get this to look good. I'm thinking maybe a shader or like... You know what might look cool? Let me try this. On the particles for this animation. What is this? Is it this one? Yeah, I think it's this one. We could put the... Let me see. We have it set to unshaded. What is going on here? Like the color of it is weird. Maybe it's just weird on the editor, but yeah, let's do... Oops. Let's do quick load and let's do twilight material. I wonder what that'll look like in the game. If we run it... Well, actually, if we run it, it'll look... Why is it not visible in the game? Reset to use parent. No. Is this the wrong material? CPU particles 2. Twilight. Yeah, let's just run it, see what happens. Oops. Let's go back into... Also, Jason, how's your game coming along? If you're still here. Chapter 2. Yo, how's it going, Claude Moore? Okay, wait. It seems like this particle didn't do any... Are we using... Let me see here. Here, I'll set it to, like, red. Just to make sure. Maybe this is the wrong particle. Chillin'. Nice. Oh. That's pretty cool. But that's not what we wanted. What the hell did I do? I guess maybe I set it to red. I set the twilight itself to red, probably. Let's see. Yeah, we did. Whoops. Did I? Let's see. Let's go back into particle. CPU particles 2. Yeah, I wonder why this shader is not working. Let me go back into, where is visibility? We'll set this to red. I want to make it visible. Okay, yeah. It should work. Oh, you know why it's not working? It's because we have it ignoring the color white. Like, it's only the black texture that we manipulate. It's going good. I think I'm at the point where I'm starting to block out my first level. Oh, awesome. Alright. So I don't have a custom texture for this just yet, so maybe we should make, or maybe we could just use this? Let's see. Let's go back into player. When do you think it looks like blood? Yeah. When do you think you're gonna have a working demo, or like a playable demo? I mean, like, what's your scope? You know, end goal and all that fun stuff. Where is our texture? We'll just throw the twilight particle in there. So now, wait, what? Why does it look worse? Let's see. Whoa. It's definitely not what I want. But honestly, it does look kind of cool. I think I just need to fix the texture of it. It looks like we're a snake. Yeah, let me see. See what we can do. The scale here is 2.5. Let me set this to emitting. Whoa. Set this to 1. This might look better. Realistically, I'd say in a month I have about 2 hours a day I get to work on it, so it's really slow. No, that's fair. You know, it does look cool, I would say. I think it looks better than what it did. I think I need to set like a top texture though. I just realized there's no point in actually putting a shader on these textures. I could just make it transparent and it would show what's... actually maybe not, because if I made it transparent then we would see what's... we would just see the extra white texture behind. So maybe not. But this doesn't look bad. What am I trying to make them look... honestly, I'm not trying to make them look like anything. Like, I don't have a set goal. I'm just trying to make it look better. Originally, I wanted to make like a texture I wanted to like we spent 2 or 3 days just trying to get the animation to work on the outside, but I couldn't get it to look good for the life of me. I don't know. I think I need to be. Well, one, I don't have any animations that I could just plug in there. Maybe we can find something online, but at the moment there's like nothing. I'm thinking what I would rather do maybe is make a text like a. If I could find a cool shader to make it look good on the outside here, that'd probably be a better solution. And I think we're gonna replace the shader altogether, like the background shader right here. It's not that cool. What is that portal called? So I call it the Twilight, but it might change. It might be like a shadow instead of a that's the name I've been giving it, Twilight. But yeah, it could be, it's subject to change. Nothing is really set in stone. Originally, like you can see here on the top, it's called Tunnel Tile Map because it originally was supposed to be like dirt. But yeah, we've changed it since then. Yep. So yeah, I don't know. We're kind of stuck here. I feel like I wasted the last 2 days making this mechanic, trying to make this mechanic look better, and yeah. How's it going, Devro? Not much is going on here. We're just testing stuff out. Let me see if we can find a better shader. Ideally, yeah, like I'm not one to write shaders, so like let me first look at Godot shaders. What the hell's going on here? Something like this might look cool when we enter the Twilight. We could play something like this, or maybe would be nice if we played this because it looks like a ripple, right? Like we could play that as we enter the Twilight. I think that would look pretty cool. And then on top of that, I think something else would be nice to play. So here, I'll open this in another tab. Let's see what else we got. Starfield. Some of these look crazy. Fractal Pyramid. Orbs. Making something in 3D would not be too bad either. Like having a 3D shader within the 2D game, like when you're going through the Twilight, it's like, going into another dimension. Wouldn't be so bad. This also looks pretty cool. Circular waves. Don't know what this is. Yeah, maybe we could make this work. I think we could do something where like maybe as we copy the player's globe. I don't know much about shaders, so like we'll have to mess with it a bunch. But like maybe we can make this follow the player as they're going through the water and like make it kind of like you ever been on like a boat and you see the like the waves or like the waves that follow the boat. Could make it look kind of cool. Have you tried to just an invert of the character skin? Might be simple or might be too simple / similar to the standard character. Invert of the so you mean like the texture of the player? So like instead of a white player, it's a black player. Yeah, I have. So I do have. I actually have a shader in the game where like I flip everything. I was thinking like this could be a potential mechanic, but I don't know yet. Let me see if I can. Where is it? I think it's here. Yeah, this thing. I don't know where we could make this kind of work. Obviously, some things would need to change. I can't just make it like this is like like everything is inverse, like the inverse texture. So like yeah, it's kind of crazy. It could potentially work, but I haven't found. Don't know how or why it would work. But who knows? Maybe something could happen with this. It's also making me realize, like I don't know, like how it makes me realize like how much contrast there is in the game, and it seems like there's not enough, right? Like the portals are red, the spikes you can barely see. The transition between this zone is very like maybe I should make this a completely different color. Like, oh, but you know what? The reason why it's black here is I think because I wonder if the shader is messing with. No, never mind. I was gonna say. I was just talking about the character themselves. So yeah, I have thought about having like a black player. Oh, what the hell? Breakpoint. What the hell? But yeah, like the contrast would be weird with the foreground and the background. Or I'm sorry, with the background and the player. Like the player is the background is already like almost pure black. So to make it make the player a similar color might be difficult. I mean, there is a white outline of the player, so maybe it wouldn't be too bad. I've done it before, but like, yeah, it was a long time ago. I would have to like, I'd have to look at it again. What if the twilight and the player that is that's in it gets inversed? Yeah, that might be a good idea. I'm also wondering if inversing is the right thing though, like. Because I don't like this basically turns white. And I don't like that white color. Like it's too bright for the game. Here, wait, let me look at this shader again. I do want to see what it would look like to implement it. I also want to see what else is out there. Let's see. This also looks pretty cool. Water, maybe? Oh, this is kind of like what I was talking about. This looks very similar to this one, though. But who knows? Maybe this one's better. So we'll save both of these. Let's see what else is there. Simple color invert area. This could also work. This also looks really cool, 3D wobbly effect. You know, I was even thinking of like maybe adding like a matrix effect, like you know, like I don't know, like a grid within that twilight thing. It can be like all trippy and stuff. It wouldn't. I don't know if it would match with the. Oh, this is another pretty cool looking one. A lot of ripple shaders. That's exactly what we need. Yeah, this also looks kind of cool. Whale stain? Optimize your shaders. Is this... What the hell is this? What if when the player enters, only when the twilight gets color is more than goes black, back to black when when they exit. More color. Yeah, that's also a good idea. Here, I think maybe we'll spend the entire day today just trying to get this to look good. Yeah, I think the initial color just needs to change too. I mean, like the default color just needs to be different. Either like make it look like a rainbow, maybe do something like this, like, you know, just something. Yeah, honestly, I might even grab this. Vortex, Matrix Rain. Yeah, screw fixing that level. Yeah. I mean, I know I'll fix the level for sure. Player vignette. You know, we might even want to add a vignette again. Yeah, I think we're scrolling through all of the shaders on Godot shaders, but that's good. That's good. This also looks pretty good. Like, this is a waterfall, but I'm sure we can manipulate it to look like something else, you know? This also looks pretty cool. The 2D mirror. Okay. Let's scroll. I think the first thing I'm going to try out is this. Center is equal to 0.5.5. I don't even know how this is going to work with, like, manipulating the player's global position. Let me see. Target position is equal to target.globalRect.position to a color rect or any other canvas item. And let me just see. Where's that other one? You need that player vignette. Where was it? There you go. Alright, let's try. Honestly, this one looks like it's more applicable to me. Because there's like get shader parameters. We get the viewport size. Vector equals get viewport size dot rect. Target size is the canvas item on which the material contains the shader. Func set shader parameters. Okay. This one looks a little bit more complex than this one. Where was that other one that we saw? What was this? Where is this one? Wave height, speed, fragment. Yeah, I kind of like this one. Seems like it will work better for us. Target as a canvas item. Okay. Let's copy this. Let me back everything up too. We didn't do anything actually. Let's just say what did we do? Yes, updated. Clear. Twilight. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Let's see here. Twilight. So I think we'll want. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the Twilight tunnel map. Like we could either, we could add this as the shader here, or we can. I think we actually don't know. Target position, target dot global position. I wonder if we have to do this based, like we might need to put the shader on our viewport instead. Because yeah, I don't know how we would otherwise put it on a tile map. Let's see, get size, dot get target dot get rect. Here, I don't know. Let's try it out. No, I don't think it will work though. Twilight tunnel map. Let's just create this. Identifier target. Okay, global rect. Change the position and size of the control relative to the top left corner of the screen. Would it just be self? Isn't the, okay, wait, no. So yeah, I'm thinking we do have to put this on our viewport. Now let's try it out. Pass target as a parameter. This the parameter would be our player. I mean, sorry, no. I think it would be our viewport, so I think we could just put it on our view. I mean, we could throw it in here too. I don't know. Let's see. This is our viewport right here, our viewport texture. We don't have any. Let me see. New script here. Do I have a viewport folder?
target isn't declared. No, yeah, the target would be, I assume would be this now. Let me see. Yeah. Screen position. Okay, now we'll add the material here. Oops. New canvas item material. Wait, oops. New shader material. I don't know if this is gonna work. I have no idea. Oh, we could put it. All right, let's just see if this works. Yeah, probably putting it on this texture here was probably a bad idea. But let me see. Now our screen is completely black. I believe it's this one, right? Let's comment this out really quick. Okay. Good thing I backed everything up, yeah. Ugh. I need to spend like a good 2 weeks just learning shit. Like it almost feels like feels like another language. Wait, let me cut this. Go in here. Let's see something. Our shader here is render mode unshaded. I think we want to do the same exact thing. Here, I'm going to duplicate this. Oops. Call this curtain. Throw this into viewport. Let's report test. Okay, we'll throw in. Is it this one? Yeah. Wait, what happened to our script? Or did we throw it into our ready function? Is that what we did? Set shader parameters. Oh, we actually have this. I'm dumb. Yeah. We probably want to put this in. Well, we'll see. We'll want to put this. We'll want to run this when we enter the twilight state, but I think we'll try to end the ready function for now. Yeah, and this will be. Actually, I will say self because I don't want to forget. You know what? I have to go do some work. Should have been working now, but this. Well, thanks for stopping by, man. I'll see you. All right. Let's go into
shader here. Let's delete this. Make a new shader material. New shader. We'll throw in all of this garbage. Okay. And on top of that, let's make sure that this shader is unshaded. So render mode is unshaded. Alright, there we go. Moment of truth. Okay, so let's see. I don't know if this will just work like this. Oh, let's go with this. Alright, so we got a circle on our screen. Set shader parameters. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna have to do is run this physics. Let me see. It might be better for us to run this like on a separate node for us to see what's actually going on. Because right now on our main scene, our UI canvas, we have to like, let's see. Target position, target size. Oh wait, we never actually set shader parameters. Let's see. Makes a difference. We kind of see. Oh, we do see the warp. Kind of looks cool. But we need to expand. So let's go back into UI canvas. Oh wait, yeah. Target is equal to self, viewport size, target size, target position. I wonder if we can say get global rect dot position. Can we just say try this. We'll measure. Okay. Target.
Ripple shader is equal to, we set it to equal something here. Oh, ripple underscore shader, is that what we did here? Ripple underscore shader. Okay, and then what we're gonna do in our player node, I wonder if we should do this in the ready. We'll do it on the enter state for now, just to see if it works. Like, I don't really know how it's gonna work yet, so let's see. Twilight, say it right here. Level manager dot ripple shader parameters equal to self. Manager set shader params. What the hell? What's going on? Okay. We set our shader parameters. No, we didn't. Go back here. Say level manager dot ripple shader dot set shader parameters is equal to ourselves. Run it. Non-existent function get rolled on kinematic body. Target position. Get global rect. Target. This is the part that I'm not understanding. Is equal to let's just try it. Oh, this would be self. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I think we want the positioning. We're gonna have to mess with the positioning. Also, we need to figure out how do we animate this. Like, this thing is not working the way we want it to. Target size divided by our viewport size. Target size is equal to self dot. I mean, maybe we could just mess with this ourselves, like self dot get global rect size. Let me see. What the hell? Target size view. V is equal to your target size divided by viewport size. Viewport size. Here, let's just try all of this. target size UV is equal to this. Target position is equal to self.position. Dude, I don't get it. I don't get it. Screen position is screen size. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, how do we make this bigger? Like, how do we? It doesn't seem like any of these parameters mess with that. Target screen size is equal to target size UV. Screen position is equal to, let me see, target position, self.getGlobalRect.position, UV, target pos, target size, UV is equal to, oh, okay, wait, target pos, UV, let me see. Where about two? Oh, UV. Dude, it changed nothing. Alright, we might just call it here. I'm not sure. Not sure what to do. I think I'll mess with this off stream because yeah, literally I have no idea what's going on. Alrighty, I will see you guys. Let me see what's online. Cricket, Irish John, Cam the Goblin. Oh, crap. Let's go for Cam. Stream over? Yeah. Sorry. I still don't. We need to figure out the shader problem. I just need to figure out everything with the Twilight, and yeah, I think I just need to spend some time on it, you know, alone. See what I come up with. Alrighty. Have a good one. Yeah, I'll see you, Half Moon. Peace.